Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing another cleaning video with you guys. As you can see, my house was a total mess. I am in between doing two different room makeovers in today's video, so as you can see, again, the house was totally trashed. So this is gonna be some real life cleaning motivation that I am so excited to share with you. I'm also going to be sharing a fall soup recipe near the end of the video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. And you will also be getting a sneak peek into one of the room transformations that I am doing and working on right now. On top of that, I am also introducing my new Pockets of Peace to share some relaxing and calming motivation with you guys. And so again, make sure you watch all the way through for lots of motivation. And if you like cleaning videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Now let's jump right in. I am starting off, as you can see, in my kitchen, and I am just unloading the dishwasher. It's actually really early in the day, which is why my hair is wet. I actually showered, yay! And so yeah, bear with me. This is just real life, you guys. So going ahead and getting that dishwasher empty, and then we are gonna move throughout the top floor of our house. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device and clean along with me.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your...
So I just went ahead and got the counters all cleared, and now I'm going ahead and spraying them using my multi-surface cleaner by Method in the sea salt and lime. I absolutely love this stuff.
You in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will.
Next up is the main living area. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this part tidied up and start moving some things back over into the spare room so that I can actually start wiping everything down in here and clearing off just the table and that sort of thing. So on all of the wood surfaces, I am using the Method wood cleaner in the almond scent.
So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like.
Okay guys, so behind me you can see Adeline's room, and it's trashed. Like, I have stuff everywhere as this toddler room makeover is not quite complete yet, and so I've just kind of shoved everything in here because like all she does is sleep in here, and it's just not gonna matter until I can tackle it. So you will see this get cleaned and organized in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to finish vacuuming the rest of the house here and getting it all tidied up. I'm gonna have to move the dresser into the other room, and yeah, wait until you see that toddler girl room makeover, which will be my next video after this one.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless
Okay guys, so as I was vacuuming, I totally forgot that my dog, she's kind of nutso. She loves food. We should know better not to leave food on the counter, but I was gonna make some salsa today and I left some tomatoes on the counter because she's like never eaten tomatoes before. My bad. She went ahead and ate 4 tomatoes, and so there's salsa all over the carpet. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice good clean using my Bissell carpet cleaner. I haven't whipped this bad boy out literally since we moved in here like over 2 years ago. So go ahead and bear with me as I try and get this carpet clean, as there's tomato stains all over and I honestly don't know if they're gonna come out.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you.
So as you can see, most of the stain actually ended up coming out of the carpet. It is obviously still a little bit wet in this little clip here, but look at what came off of it. It's absolutely disgusting. And this just like reassures the fact that I need to do this in every single carpet in my house. I want to do our stairway. I think that it would be absolutely disgustingly satisfying to share that with you guys. And so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming in a future video. I haven't quite done it yet, but it is on my list of things to do. Next, I am tackling a load of laundry. I'm not going to bore you with a ton of laundry motivation though. So we're just going to keep this really simple and share a little bit of motivation with you in terms of laundry. And then we're going to get back to cleaning. But I would love to know in the comments if you are up and moving along with me. Let me know in the comments what you are cleaning, and if you are enjoying a coffee or relaxing, I would love to hear that as well, as I just hope that this is giving you lots of motivation to tackle your mess that you have in your house. You as the homemaker in your house are doing amazing things in your home, and I want you to know that. Let this be a reminder that you are worthy and you are valued, and everything that you do in your home is greatly appreciated.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real?
All right, it's now time to put this away. So here is a sneak peek of our daughter's bedroom. I painted the walls and I'm really happy with how they turned out, but I can't wait to share the full transformation and room makeover with you guys again in my next video. So if you are not quite yet subscribed and you are enjoying this video, you must be, because you're still with me at this point. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and also give this video a like. It really helps out my channel as a small YouTuber, and it is completely free for you to do. And so when you hit that red subscribe button, it basically just notifies you when I post new videos so that you can stay updated and just get loads of motivation in your home, as that is my main goal, is to keep you guys motivated as the homemakers. I am a millennial homemaker and I am just really excited to keep inspiring and motivating you guys and just having a massive positive online space for us to connect and just really share ideas, bounce ideas off of each other, find joy in the journey of motherhood, and just tackle those messes in your house along the way, as we all gotta do it. So I'm just continuing vacuuming throughout the house, and then we're going to wipe some surfaces. And remember, I am sharing a fall recipe as well, so stay tuned for that. So I had to include that clip where she literally just walked right past me. I thought it was hilarious. I thought she was like so excited, as you kind of saw her like skipping along. And I thought she was excited and coming to give me a hug, but no, she was just excited about what was happening with the room transformation. So that's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to give away too much information, but if you can't tell, our whole house is super excited about the transformations and what's to come. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let one of my favorite songs play for you guys.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit. Calm down and get your reel applied. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle.
Okay, everybody, so you might be able to hear my daughter playing in the background. I apologize about that, but this is mom life. But I wanted to share with you guys a recipe in today's video. Now that fall is here and it's like starting to get colder and that sort of thing, I find I'm in the kitchen a lot more. I love cooking really hearty meals and stuff like that. And so my plan is to actually share a fall recipe with you guys in every other video. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna try and hold myself accountable to it, but I love cooking in the fall and just sharing fall recipes, and so stay tuned for that. But today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a homemade Crockpot potato soup. It is a loaded cheddar, bacon, and chive soup. It is so freaking good. This is tried and true. I shared it on my channel, I think about a year ago, and everyone who tried it like literally loves it. It is so good. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share that recipe with you. If there's any recipes that you guys want me to share that you'd like to learn more about, let me know in the comments, whether like you want me to stick with soups, desserts, like, you know, all the things. Let me know, and I will be more than happy to share some recipes that I know that I've tried, and maybe I will share one of your guys' recipes as well if you share one with me over on Instagram. So let's get to making the soup.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? you were all the ones, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for being here today with me and spending some time. I hope that you enjoyed this messy house clean with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have tons of amazing content coming for you guys. I love fall and winter, and so I can't wait to share some really, really exciting content with you over these next few months. So don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be my toddler room makeover video. And so I'm really excited to share that transformational video with you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I